The journey begins along the Tirano coastline, where the scent of salt fills the air and sun-kissed rocks greet the morning light. At Lido Gandoli, soft sands meet crystal waters. It's an elegant corner of the coast, where the summer breeze caresses palm trees and days melt away in golden light and calm reflections. Further south lies San Pietro in Bavagne, a land of legends and quiet beauty, where ancient Roman villas rest beneath the sands, and the sea stretches wide and pure. The dunes stand guard like ancient protectors, and nature unveils its deepest truth. At Punta Prosciutto, the scene turns magical. Waters so clear, they seem like glass, and white sand that echoes distant tropical shores. It's an untouched paradise where the silence of the sea meets the quiet of the soul. Then comes Porto Cesareo, vibrant and full of life. Its calm waters cradle the marine-protected area, and its offshore islands dot the horizon. The town lives in harmony with its fishing traditions, blending old and new in perfect balance. Santa Isidoro is a gentle passage between the lively and the wild. A small port, a coastal watchtower, and secluded beaches where time stands still. Just beyond it, Porto Selvaggio reveals itself as a hidden treasure, a natural reserve where pine forests plunge into the sea, across rocky paths and pristine inlets. The coast flows into Santa Maria where the landscape softens. White houses rest on gentle cliffs, reflecting in the calm sea. History echoes through the streets, telling stories of migration, hope, and rebirth. We reach Torre Mozza, where the beach stretches wide and golden, framed by a solitary ancient tower standing guard. It's a suspended world, where beauty lies in simplicity, and nature dances with light. Then comes Pescalus, often called the Maldives of Salento. The sea here shifts from turquoise to deep blue, with shallow crystal waters embracing families and dreamers alike in peace and serenity. Finally, Santa Maria di Leuca, where the Adriatic and Ionian seas meet, a sacred and majestic place. The lighthouse rises proudly, the sanctuary watches from above, and the air breathes centuries of spiritual meaning, a place where travelers pause, reflect, and move forward inspired. This is the Ionian coast of Salento, a mosaic of colors, sounds, and scents. A coast that enchants, that welcomes, that reveals. It is the voice of the sea, the warmth of stone, and the eternal heartbeat of the South.